Hi, welcome to Industrial Perfume Manufacturing course. I am Mohan. I have over 16 years of experience in perfume manufacturing industry in United Arab Emirates. In this course, you will learn about the industrial standard perfume manufacturing without any clumsy theoretical lecture. Before going to dive in manufacturing process, it is essential to know how much does it cost to make perfume and how much profit we can make. Research has shown that you can actually make 100 bottles of perfume for less than $120, and then if you want, sell them for up to $120 each. That is, you can make a single bottle of perfume for just $1.20 and sell it for even up to $120. Certainly, some of the most profitable perfumes that are now available are which does not cost much to produce. Then, what is perfume? Perfume is a mixture of 78 to 95% of especially denatured ethyl alcohol and a remainder of fragrance. Here we use synthetic fragrance, that is man-made perfume. The perfume components are fragrance 10 to 15%, ethyl alcohol 84%, and distilled water 1%. If we calculate, it will be 100%. Then, perfumes are made in order to attract the customer via the olfactory system, that is sense of smell, in order to persuade the people to buy the perfumes. We are going to discuss the synthetic fragrance, not natural oil, which means completely man-made fragrance, which is unnatural. It is cost-wise cheaper than the essential oil. We will discuss the essential oil at the end of this course. Essential oils are the pure oil which are extracted from the plant, and it is very costly. We should not apply directly to our skin. It must be diluted with carrier oil. We will discuss more about it at the end of this course. Any perfume you buy or make yourself is a chemical compound made from fragrant oils, aroma blends, fixatives, and solvents which produce a pleasant or attractive smell. This is the olfactory system. Here you could see the olfactory bulb. It transfers the smell to your brain. We will discuss more about olfactory system at the end of this course.